Today, a jury trial began for the Wisconsin Department of Justice agent accused of wounding a Madison man during a traffic stop in February 2022.
Madison Rios has been at the trial all day listening to opening statements and witness testimony. Madison, tell us what's happened so far.
Special Agent Mark Wagner is facing one count of second-degree recklessly endangering safety with a modifier of using a dangerous weapon in the shooting of Quadron Wilson. Wagner's defense attorney Daniel Sanders cross-examined several witnesses today, trying to further prove his argument that Wagner acted lawfully in using force against Wilson. Sanders says prior to trying to arrest Wilson, there were very few law enforcement officers who didn't know of Wilson and his history of run-ins with the law.
Mr. Wilson had a positive criminal history. He had a positive violent past. He had a positive history of weapons. And he was known to carry firearms.
Sanders says Wagner believed he heard a shot prior to his, and that's when he began shooting. Sanders adds Wagner believed it was Wilson who had started shooting. Both Sanders and Dane County District Attorney Ishmael Ozan laid out the series of events, both taking note of the use of a crowbar-like tool to smash out Wilson's car windows. Ozan argues Wagner did not act lawfully because no weapon was recovered from Wilson's vehicle or on his person.
Now, law enforcement has the privilege to use force, up to and even deadly force. But there must be articulable facts to justify any use of force.
But Sanders says the smashing of windows could have been mistaken for a gunshot because it got jammed. Now, several witnesses say that the scene unfolded so quickly, it is hard to determine the series of events and the sequence of the events. I'll report back here in an hour with any updates that I may have. Reporting live at the Dane County Courthouse, Madison Rios, 27 News.